I'm Brendan. This is the Vortec 350 Swap S10.
Woohoo!
In the midst. So, all we did so far is just test fit it in there, see if it would fit. Fits. Our goal today is to get rid of the tubs, take everything out we don't need, pull the motor, clean it, prep it for paint, and then next time we're here, we'll be painting. So.
Sweet. This is going to be fun. You excited?
Yes.
I'm excited. All right. So, we're going to cut it here and start, and then we'll pick up later. Say goodbye. Bye.
Goodbye. Motor pulled out. With this swap, we just had the T.8 V6 mounts that mount to the frame rails using S10 V8 Swap Parts.com engine motor mounts.
Very cool. Not tight.
Not tight.
That's okay.
So we're going to get rid of the coolant reservoir, the heater blower fan. I'm going to tidy up the wiring, probably get rid of most of the wiring since we're going to be running just the Vortec wiring harness. We're going to take out these tubs, which are just held in by some bolts in the fender well. I believe to be a size 13. Just all throughout here.
Gotcha. Right along there. Copy.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll see where we're at after that.
Well, let's start.
Hello guys, nice to see y'all again. Anyways, we're getting the tubs out. After we got the motor out, working on getting these bad boys out. Everything in there is a 1/2 inch or 13mm socket. Super simple, there's just a ton of bolts on the inside of the tub.
I guess I'll go this way.
So, you got some lining up through the top, all the way around, and then there's a couple on the inside, and there's one hidden one right up here. Just want to make sure we get all those out, and then it should be fairly easy just to pull it out.
Comes out right there. Okay. That one. Copy that. Look at that.
Super simple. Monkeys can do it.
Obviously. Look at that. That was way faster than mine was. Man.
Better cooling, flip cooler.
Jeez.
See your motor from the outside.
Yeah, that's great. I really like that a lot.
A little easier than a car. Not to cut anything, just take some bolts out.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. So much better. The car's green, real life in the camera. It's like it's blue. It's amazing. Oh, yeah, it looks way sweet on camera. It is. You guys can't tell, but it's not beautiful. It looks right there. Very cool. Did you do that? That's the easiest. Easiest thing to do with them. That's super simple. You guys have to do way harder than that. All these cars, all this different. Ready to go? He makes a valid argument. Get some. Yeah, I'll do a side shot. Oh, that's okay. That's a good action. Oh, good shot. Sweet.
So today, cleaned up most of the S10's engine bay. We used some degreaser, sprayed all over the firewall, sprayed the frame rails, cross members, some of the suspension parts. Want to make sure it's all pretty before we get the new motor in. Otherwise, it's going to be a lot harder to clean. Took out the tubs. It's pretty simple. It's just a bunch of bolts on the inside, as we showed in the video earlier. It's going to look a lot better for when you're drifting. You get some nice side shots. You see the motor, painted headers, pretty engine block. That was it for today, and then we're going to go on to the motor. We're going to do valve cover gaskets, oil pan gasket, pretty up the block, maybe paint it, and then we're moving on to the clutch. Everything with the transmission, flywheel. Now do some stuff with the starter.
Sweet.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be sick.
We gotta find out about that pilot bushing.
Yeah, and pilot bushing. Since we're going from an automatic to a manual, I don't know what pilot bushing we're gonna need. It's gonna have to do some research on that. And since I'm using a T5 from a 2.8 Camaro, made in 88, so it's gonna be a world class. A little bit stronger.
Which is pretty cool.
Still not a V8 T5, but
It's a heavy duty. Yeah.
yeah.
That's cool. Sweet. Right. Wave goodbye. Bye, people.
Probably.
Goodbye, people. Goodbye, AJ. Goodbye, people.